sound yet. Every time you start it up, the whole car shakes. It's awesome. Hey guys, it's Joel. Welcome back to the channel and a very good morning. It is just before 7 AM on a Sunday morning. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. And this morning I am taking the Z4 out for whom? To one of my favourite places. So you'll have to stay tuned to see where that is. But for now, let's go and find a coffee and pick up Charlie. Oh my goodness. Sorry everyone. Right, so I've just arrived at my meeting spot with Charlie. He's not here yet. Guys, I wish I'd mounted the camera up for that part of the drive. There was this one little village we went through and oh, this thing just sounds so good against the walls, especially like at this time of the morning when it's quite cold. That was really good fun. Anyway, let's wait for Charlie. We'll pick Charlie up, try and find some coffee. This thing needs some fuel. Don't think we're gonna get to the destination on this. And then yeah, you'll see where we're going. Right then, so, oh hello Charlie. Pick Charlie up, time now to head on to the destination. So, where we're going is Goodwood, if you haven't guessed already. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that, because I've been posting about it for a very long time. But yeah, we're on our way down there now, and I'll catch up with you when we arrive. Right, so we've just pulled into Goodwood now. I've just spotted a Z4M Coupe over there, so we'll obviously go have a look at that first. I think you guys enjoyed me looking through the car park last time, so we'll have a quick look on the way in before we get to the event at what is parked up. So I was just talking to you about how there's a Z4M parked up the road, but as we were literally pulling up, Ferrari F12 and a lovely GT4 Lusso pulled up behind us. So that's a pretty good first spot for the car park. But anyway, let's go take a look at that Z4M Coupe. I think it was that anyway, we'll find out very shortly. Is it actually a Z4M? I don't think it is, actually, looking at those exhausts and looking at the interior. How do we find out if it's an M? No, that's that. I don't actually know. How do we work it out? He's got cup holders though, goals. It's got the M wheels. I don't actually. I mean, it's got all the M styling and stuff. The exhaust just look weird. It could be a Z4M, but just with a modded exhaust. I don't know, guys. Is this a real Z4M? Let me know in the comments. Charlie just spotted this beauty, 911 Carrera GTS. I do think Porsches are getting better and better looking, actually. Not that the old ones weren't good looking, but it's just stunning, isn't it? Look at this. I've spoken about this before on the channel. I think probably the last time was in Monaco. It's a Porsche, I think, oh gosh. I mean, it's a Porsche Spider, but I think it's got some other special name as well. I mean, just look. You got like, whatever that is there. I don't know, is that like, ooh, I haven't got a clue what that is. Maybe that's the thing to lift the pack. I don't know, but this thing's cool. Just the way that these, again, don't know what they're called, but the way it's curved there and the wheels with the red pinstriping and Porsche. Obviously a manual gearbox inside as well. But yeah, oh look, it's for sale. Who wants to buy it? But yeah, anyway, sorry, that's a lot of waffle for basically saying I like that car. Porsche Spider. I think it might be the RS60 Spider, but I'm not too sure. That's very nice, but I've just spotted this. I've not seen one of these ever, actually, apart from at Geneva. But that was just like a, you know, display car. Didn't even know these are on the road yet, but there you go. That's an Alpine A110, 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 don't know how you say it, but do you know what? It does look really good. I think they're slightly overpriced, but I've never driven one, and I can't really say because I'm not in the market for one, but it is pretty cool, like even the details with the big Alpine badge there. And the interior on these things is really cool. I would love to drive one of those actually, but Cool to see one. Okay guys, so we're now in the event at Goodwood. We made it past the spectacular car park. There's always some crazy stuff in the car parks at these Goodwood events. But anyway, it's Classic Car Sunday here at Goodwood this morning. Not really something I'm massively interested in. We've actually walked around the whole event in about half an hour or so. But I have filmed a few interesting cars and I'll show you them just in a minute. But yeah, today's more about the hoon of the Z4 down here and back up later. It's really good fun to bring the Z4 out on a morning like this. But yeah, let me show you some of the cars that have been here and then we'll jump back in the Z4 and hoon it back through the Surrey hills. Just left Goodwood and we've now got the Z4 out on the amazing roads in the Surrey hills, and yeah, I'm going to pop the camera up in the car, and yeah, you can join me for part of this drive home from Goodwood. Right, let's go! And we're already stuck behind a car. Brilliant. Downshift into second. Nice hairpin turn. That is the problem with driving out on a Sunday. On the way here, actually we were stuck behind stuff on the way here as well, but yes, you never get a clear run. There's just too many cars on the road nowadays. It's not boring yet, I still love it. This is the real reason we went to Goodwood this morning. Right guys, we are just coming into Petworth, which is a little village down south. Yeah, we're in a little town called Petworth and it's got walls and buildings either side, so when you rag it, it sounds like that. Woo! I like it. This is an excellent way to burn all of your fuel. It's driving through Petworth because it's first and second gear only. That is a rule. Shame though, as you can imagine, we are stuck behind Sunday drivers heading to the shops. It's not ideal. He's indicating. What is he indicating for?
One way.
Right, here we go. You ready? I think you know what's coming. Oh yes. Oh yes. Now I'm not being funny. Loads of you asked me how much this car drones and how annoying it is, but when it sounds like that, I just don't care. It does drone, but the noise you get when you really want to hear it honestly outweighs that so much. It is so worth it. Right guys, so we are now back from Goodwood. That was a really fun morning actually. It was really good to get the Z4 out and go for a rag on such a beautiful day. This might even be one of the last amazing weekends we have in the UK this year. So yeah, definitely happy got the car out today and did that. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was a bit random, I'm sorry for that. Do make sure you are subscribed if you're not already. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers now. In fact, by the time this video goes out, I think we might just have hit it. So that is incredible. Leave the video a like if you did enjoy it. And comment below any other video suggestions you've got whatsoever. The Z4 is not going anywhere just yet. And there's still plenty of videos I want to make with it, but I also want to hear your suggestions as well on videos I can do with this car, but other cars. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you very, very soon. However, it is now Classic Car Sunday at Goodwood. It's one of the supercars.
Oh, for sake.
Oh, for
sake.
Go get a pint.
It's a bit early, mate.
Time.
Not even 11 o'clock, pal.
You should have put this in.
No.